Welcome back to EV Insider. Today we're diving into a machine that doesn't just honor Volkswagen's iconic design legacy, it reimagines it for a new generation of drivers. These aren't just drivers looking for efficiency or style alone, but individuals who want a car that connects with them, emotionally offering not just performance but also personality. These drivers want something that feels modern and sustainable without losing the soul of a classic, and that's exactly what the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle delivers. Visually, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is a perfect fusion of old and new. Design keeps the beloved Beetle silhouette intact, with its iconic rounded fenders, short overhangs and curved roofline, but it's been reworked for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The result is a car that both nods to its past and fits seamlessly into the future of electric vehicles. The front showcases sleek, sharp LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights, giving it a modern touch. The absence of a traditional grille signals its all-electric nature, and the smooth flowing body lines are accented by carefully designed side panels and flush door handles. At the rear, a full-width light bar and subtle integrated spoiler enhance its contemporary look, while preserving that recognizable Beetle spirit. A new set of turbine-inspired wheels wrapped in ultra-efficient low-rolling resistance tires complete the visual package, giving the car a look that's sporty yet unmistakably retro. It's a car that from every angle oozes personality and purpose. Step inside the 2025 Beetle and you're immediately greeted by an interior that is equal parts functional and fun. Volkswagen has taken care to ensure the cabin captures the charm of the original while integrating cutting-edge technology and sustainability. The dashboard layout is simple yet sophisticated, blending soft-touch materials with sustainable options like recycled fabric upholstery and eco-friendly leathers. The focal point inside is a large 13-inch touchscreen which runs Volkswagen's latest infotainment system. It supports over-the-air updates, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that the Beetle stays current with every software release. Physical controls for climate and drive modes add a tactile element to the otherwise modern setup, ensuring that even while driving everything is just a reach away. The cabin lighting, available in customizable hues, creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere, making every drive a pleasurable experience. Even the smallest details have been carefully designed to make the Beetle feel like a space where you can connect with your car on a deeper level. Whether it's the retro-inspired accents, the digital cockpit display, or the cleverly hidden storage compartments, every part of the interior is designed to make the driving experience as joyful and practical as possible, ensuring that whether you're commuting through the city or cruising on a scenic route, the Beetle feels both familiar and refreshingly modern. Under the floor, the 2025 Beetle hides a powertrain that's as intelligent as it is fun. Powered by Volkswagen's MEB electric platform, the Beetle offers up to 250 miles of range on a single charge, making it an ideal companion for daily commutes and longer weekend trips. The base model with rear-wheel drive delivers 2,000 horsepower, while an all-wheel drive variant offers increased traction and performance, providing a quicker 0 to 60 time in just over 6 seconds. Charging is fast and convenient, with the ability to go from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. With a DC charger, regenerative braking is another feature that adds a sense of control and efficiency, allowing the driver to adjust the car's energy recovery and feel the road with greater precision. This isn't just an electric car, it's a reworked Beetle that balances modern tech with the simple pleasure of driving a car that responds to you. Whether you're navigating through city streets or taking on winding country roads, the Beetle feels agile and connected, giving you the freedom to enjoy every drive with ease and confidence. It's the kind of vehicle that makes you want to take the long way home just for the sake of the experience. The 2025 Beetle doesn't just prioritize performance, it also offers a full suite of advanced safety and driver assist features. Standard tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking to ensure across a wide variety of driving situations. As you move up in trim, the Beetle also offers a 360-degree camera system, automated parking and a heads-up display with augmented reality for enhanced driver awareness. Additionally, the Beetle integrates with Volkswagen's MyVW app, allowing owners to remotely monitor battery levels, track vehicle location and schedule charging times for those looking for a truly high-tech experience. The Beetle also offers vehicle-to-home energy transfer, enabling the car to act as a power source in times of need. This is technology designed to complement the driving experience, rather than overshadow it, keeping you connected while also making every drive feel more intuitive and enjoyable. Whether you're relying on the Beetle's tech to navigate a busy city or taking advantage of the intelligent systems during long road trips, The technology behind Beetle is there to make every moment behind the wheel easier, more connected and safer. What really makes the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle stand out though is its character. It doesn't rely on flashy performance numbers or outlandish claims. Instead, it focuses on what's really important, delivering experience that feels right. It's a car that celebrates the joy of driving, not just the destination, and it does so with the perfect blend of modern innovation and timeless charm. In a world where so many cars feel too polished, too sterile, the Beetle is a breath of fresh air. Quirky, fun, undeniably full of heart. It reminds us that cars can be more than just machines. They can be companions, bringing joy and emotion to every mile traveled. It's a car for people who want something more from their driving experience. Something that isn't just functional but also meaningful. The Beetle's charm isn't in its raw speed or technical complexity. It's in the way it makes you feel when you drive, it connecting you to something deeper than just the road ahead. It's a reminder that driving isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment in between. Start around $32,000. The 2025 Beetle is priced to appeal to a wide range of buyers, from city commuters to first-time electric vehicle owners, with a variety of trims, colors, and interior finishes to choose from. There's a Beetle for everyone, whether you prefer a minimalist setup or one packed with latest tech features. Additionally, Volkswagen offers a suite of customization options, allowing drivers to make their Beetle truly their own, from custom badging to race-inspired aero kits. The Beetle is more than just a car, it's a canvas for your personality and passions. And with the Beetle's Bug Life program, Volkswagen is building a community of like-minded owners who can connect through events, meetups, and digital platforms. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle isn't just about looks and tech, it's about creating a driving experience that resonates with every owner. Every detail of this car, from the carefully chosen materials to the advanced features, speaks to a desire to bring something special to the road. Whether you're heading to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Beetle makes you feel like you're driving something unique. The balance of innovation and nostalgia makes it not only a car but a statement of who you are. A modern driver with an appreciation for history, design, and the thrill of the journey. In a market that is increasingly dominated by anonymous cookie-cutter electric cars, the Beetle stands out as a true character. It's a car that offers more than just transportation. It offers a connection. With its roots deeply embedded in the past, yet a foot firmly in the future, the Beetle invites drivers to experience the joy of driving in a way that feels personal. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a reminder of why we love cars in the first place. A blend of emotion, design, and innovation that brings people together on the road. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Beetle or new to the brand, there's a place for you in the growing Beetle family. Sense of camaraderie among Beetle owners combined with the car's personality makes it a truly unique driving experience. One that extends far beyond the individual car and becomes part of a larger, vibrant community. So that's our deep dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. It's an electric vehicle that combines the best of the past with the possibilities of the future. It's fun, functional, and full of personality, with the kind of driving experience that connects with you on an emotional level. But now we want to hear from you. Is the new Beetle the electric revival we've all been waiting for? It missed the mark? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, breakdowns, and previews of the cars that are shaping the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.